Hi, it's Ashik here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you some examples of revenue receipt, capital receipt, revenue expenditure and capital expenditure. So let's get started. Okay, look at the question here. Indicate by placing a tick whether each of the following transactions is revenue expenditure, revenue receipt, capital expenditure or capital receipt. Okay, so these are the transactions given in the questions. We need to tick here in the right place. By the way, this question is actually taken from Cambridge IGCSE accounting first paper. So you can practice this question. Who knows, maybe you will get this type of questions in your exam. Okay, so let us do it here. By the way, do you know what is revenue expenditure or revenue receipt, capital expenditure or receipt? So if you don't know, I have a video on this topic. I'll link to this video in the I button. You can watch it. Okay, then you can come back here. So what is revenue expenditure? When business spend money on a day-to-day basis, that is your revenue expenditure. Okay, so any expenses are repeating in the business will be revenue expenditure. Okay, this is actually recurring item. Okay, happens again and again over. Okay, what about revenue receipt? Like same, it is expense and that is receipt. So you receive money by providing a service or selling goods. Okay, so that will be your revenue receipt. Even this item is recurring item, it happens in the business over and over again. Okay, so what about capital expenditure? When business purchase a non-current asset for a long-term use, that will be your revenue capital expenditure. So then we have here capital receipt, and when business sales any kind of non-current asset. Okay, or if business obtains a long-term loan, that will be actually capital receipt. Okay, let us do these transactions now here. What is first one? Sale of motor vehicle. Okay, so sale of motor vehicle. What is motor vehicle? It is an asset. Okay, so when asset sales, that means non-current asset is going out. So what will be here? Capital expenditure or capital receipt? Already you know motor van, it's an asset, so obviously either it will be capital expenditure or receipt. So if you say it is capital receipt, you are correct. Okay, so let us check here. The next one, purchase new motor van tires. Okay, so you purchased a motor van tire. It is actually repair and maintenance expense for the business. So expenses are always, revenue expenditure. It happens in the business multiple times. Okay, so it will be your revenue expenditure. So what is next one? Discount receipt. What is discount receipt? Yeah, it's an income. Okay, so it's a revenue, and this is also a recurring item. So multiple times these transactions happen in the business, and it is a revenue receipt. Okay, what more revenue receipts in the business? For example, commission received, interest received, rent received. Okay, sales revenue. These are all revenue receipt. Okay, last one here, purchase a new motor van. So a motor van is purchased for the business. So what is motor van? It is a non-current asset. Yeah, so non-current asset is purchased. So this asset will stay in the business for long time, more than 1 year. Already you know, if any asset lasts in the business more than 1 year, that is the non-current asset of the business. Okay, so it is a motor van and business purchased this motor van, so it will be obviously capital expenditure. Okay, So this is all about today's lesson. It's a quick video. I hope you understood how to recognize this expenditure and receipts here. And if you understood whatever items given in the question, you will be able to answer. Okay, so already I told you before that I have a video on it. You can check out my channel. Apart from that, there are so many videos on my channel. You can learn accounting by watching them. So that's all for today. Please subscribe my channel for more new videos and share this lesson with your friend. You stay safe. Bye bye and take care.